Hi everyone, today I will be doing a tag challenge started off by Carrie at the Paper Monkey. Now I want to thank Bonny from Bonny and Clive for tagging me so that I can be part of this challenge. And today's challenge, I am going to make this little cute tag. This flower actually is a pressed flower, and I recycled this tag that came from a purchase that I bought, and I've upcycled it. So it won't be exactly the same, but the concept will be the same because we are using these flowers here, and I've got some of this pinky stuff which came from a packaging. I think it was a gift with flowers. I can't remember exactly, or it was wrapped in this tissue. It feels like tissue, but it's tougher than tissue. And if you can see my other tag, it gives that interesting look to it. It's got that pinky whitish, so it's a that transparent kind of look. So I'm gonna use that. And these stickers, they came as a gift from me. I generally don't buy stickers very much. They're all gifts to me. And also the words here, as you can see, it's actually I did it on vellum or tracing paper, which you can get from Kmart or Walmart. So it has that translucent look, and so I just cut them out. So I'm going to show you my process, and feel free to comment and tell me what you think at the end of the video. So guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start gluing the surface here. Now, normally you would need one of these to make a hole if there is no hole on the tag. In this case, it has got a golden fastener here, so I probably won't be able to use this one, so we'll have to do it different way. But I'm going to start building a collage using this, so we'll see how this goes. And so these are bits and pieces that I have left over from previous projects, and this is a good way to actually use up your bits and pieces and your scraps. I'm gonna have to grab maybe a book page and find my other scraps. So I'm just putting them at random. Feel free to do that because and move your things around. Now the good thing about using this glue is it doesn't dry quickly, I feel. That's my experience, but others may think otherwise, and that's okay. You are definitely entitled to your own opinion. I'm just saying from my experience, I find that actually okay. So you can actually pick it up and remove it if you don't like where you've placed it. So I'm just going to grab some book page scraps. So this is a book page scrap that I've used part of it, so I'm just going to use that. This is the other one. Now this came from a hamburger wrapper, believe it or not. Our hamburgers came wrapped in this beautiful translucent paper, and so I thought I needed to keep that, to recycle that. So we're going to try to put that on, and I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. So when you're adding on, so I've put more glue, and when you're adding your bits and pieces to make a collage, try not to rip them in such a way that it's either straight or try and make the shapes random so that it has a really nice look about it. It's actually I don't know, it looks better. So I'm gonna do the front, and I'm also going to do the back the same way. As you can see, this is what I've done for the back. It doesn't need to be anything special. I'm just going to finish it off like that, and I'll show it to you in a minute. So I decided to use one of those stickers, and so I've covered that with bits of the pink material, and I'm just going to place the flower now on here. Now there's two ways you can do this. I normally put a little bit of this glue so that it will hold on, or you could also fasten it with some washi tape. Either way, it's fine. It's up to you and what your preference is. So I decided to actually grab some thin washi tape to actually fasten the baby breath on, because it's a little bit fiddly to put glue on. There you go, I've put some washi tape on there. I don't mind the I don't mind this being there. It actually adds to the tag. So then I'm going to use, so I've used calico. Again, that's all from my stash. So just a little bit of calico, and I'm going to just thread that through the hole and just tie a knot. So that's come through there, and I'm just going to tie a knot. It's up to you how long you want it. You could use twine if you have, ribbon, any other fabric. You don't have to use calico. I just happen to have calico. And finally, I'm just going to put the word peace on here. I don't think I will use that. I think it will be overcrowding, and I don't think I'm going to use this. So sometimes you have a plan for it, but you just have to see if it's too much. So I think I'm happy with that. So anyway, guys, don't forget to check out Carrie's website at The Paper Monkey, and also Bonny and Clive. They are also doing tag challenges, and feel free to check out their website. Thank you again for watching. Yeah, I will see you again next time. Bye.